Hey you guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to be doing a PR unboxing haul. I have not done one of these in quite a long time. I've been kind of MIA the past week. I have not uploaded to YouTube. I took like a little mini break, but this week I'm back with a new video and I'm going to be showing you guys all of the PR that I've gotten recently. I have some pretty exciting packages to show you guys. Before we jump right in, I would really appreciate it if you would give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also, I'm doing a huge back to school giveaway right now. You guys do not want to miss out on it. I'll have a link for it in my description box below, and then I'll have it up here in the cards if you guys want to watch my giveaway video. All right, so let's just go ahead and get started. So the first package I have to show you guys is from the brand Soul Body, and this is like a sister company to ColourPop. They sent over 2 of their new products. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you saw that I got a PR package from them a few weeks ago. It had their like shimmering dry oil. I have a video where I use that on my Instagram, so make sure you guys follow me on there. They just came out with these brand new body oils. They have 2 shades that they sent over. So here is what the packaging looks like. These are their glow oils. So these are a little bit different than the dry oils. They sent over the shades Golden and Rosé. These look gorgeous. I love the packaging of this. I think it's so pretty. I love like the light like rose pink and then the rose gold on it. I think it looks so pretty. All right, so this is the shade Golden and this looks super metallic. I'm gonna swatch this one on my hand. So here is the shade Golden. That is like super bright and metallic. These smell so good. They smell the same as the dry oils do. Then we have the shade Rosé, which looks gorgeous. I think that this one's gonna go a little bit better with my skin tone. I'm gonna swatch this one right next to Golden. Ooh, this one is really pretty. This looks like a really nice like rose gold. This is definitely a shade that I would go for. I think it looks gorgeous. So those are both of the oils that they sent over. I have been loving the dry oils, so I'm sure I'm gonna love these as well. A big thank you to Soul Body for sending those over. The next package I have to show you guys is from Covergirl, which I am really excited about. This is my second PR package from them. So here is what the box looks like. I feel like Covergirl has really nice PR packages. So this says on it, unlock your true blend undercover concealer. It says that there are 30 shades. So whenever you open it up, it just shows you all of the concealer shades. This part down here is so cute. It has like this little rotating piece right here. All right, so inside of here, they sent over a bunch of products. I don't have everything in here right now because I was using some of these earlier, but I am gonna show you guys everything that they sent over. So first up, we have their brand new undercover concealer. I am wearing this concealer today. They sent over 3 shades. The first one is L100 Fair, which is the one that I'm wearing underneath my eyes right now. They also sent over the shades L400 and L150, which are Porcelain and Classic Ivory. These shades will be really good to cover up blemishes on the face because they are a little bit darker. I always like a little bit lighter of a shade underneath the eyes. So far, I am really liking this concealer. I feel like it looks really nice. It did blend out so easily. I will have a tutorial using this on my Instagram, so make sure you guys check that out. And they also sent over their Matte Made Foundation. I believe that they already did have this foundation. I had never used it before, but they sent me over the shade L15. It is the foundation I'm wearing right now. This is a pretty like thin and liquidy foundation. It's not very full coverage. I would say it's more on the light to medium coverage. And then they sent over 2 of their powders. This is their True Blend Minerals powder. They sent me these shades Translucent, and then they also sent over their Banana powder. So here is what these look like. Next up, we have 3 highlighters, and these are so stunning. I'm wearing the shade Pearl Crush right now. This shade is seriously so pretty. It is like really blinding and metallic. It went on really nicely. And then they also sent over the shades Rose Quartz and Gilded Glory. These look a little bit too dark for me, so I may put these in like an upcoming giveaway. And then they also sent over 2 of their primers. So these are their brand new primers. These are the True Blend Base Business Primers, and we have the moisturizing primer and then the mattifying primer right here. I'm actually really excited to try these out. I've been seeing a lot of people using these on Instagram, so I'm really curious about them. And then the last thing that came in this package is 4 shades of their new brow gel. So they sent over the shades light, pale, deep, and medium. And then we have a clear brow gel right here. I'm thinking I'll probably either be medium or light pale just by looking at these. So that is everything that came in that PR box. A big thank you to Covergirl for sending all of those awesome products over. I'm so excited to try them out. So the next package I have to show you guys is from Ofra. They sent over their Island Time collection. So in this collection, there is this face palette, and then there is a blush, and then some of their flexi sticks. I am super excited about this collection. I saw it and I was like, oh, everything looks so pretty. So first up, we have the Island Time face palette, and this packaging is so pretty. I think it looks really nice. And then inside we have 4 blush shades and then a highlight shade. I'm wearing this blush on my cheeks right now and I'm obsessed. It looks so natural. I really love the Ofra blushes. I'm going to show you guys some of these swatched on my fingers. I think this palette is gorgeous. Look at all these like peachy shades. These are right up my alley. These look so pretty. I cannot wait to use all of these. And then also in this collection, we have this blush right here called Cosmo, which is a super pretty pink. The packaging feels super nice. And then here is what the shade looks like. And then lastly, in this package, we have all 5 shades of the flexi sticks right here that come in this collection. I am wearing the shade Fuzzy right now, I believe is what it's called. Yeah, this is the shade Fuzzy. These are like super creamy and glossy on the lips. I love how comfortable they are, and all of these shades are like seriously some of my favorite type of shades. I feel like they picked such pretty shades for this collection. This is the one I'm wearing on my lips right now. So thank you so much to Ofra for sending me over this collection. Next up, we have a PR package here from Lancome. This is a pretty small package. It only has 2 things in it. If you follow me on Instagram, you've probably already seen both of these. So they sent over 2 new products. The first one is this bronzer right here, and then we have a lipstick. This is their La French Glow bronzer, and look how gorgeous this packaging is. I feel like this is perfect for the summertime. I love the packaging so much. And then this is what the bronzer looks like. This is the bronzer I'm wearing on my face right now. It seriously looks so natural and glowy and pretty. I love mixing all of these shades together. And then here is what the lipstick looks like. Once again, I'm obsessed with the packaging, and you just push the button on the top and the lipstick pulls out, and it's a gorgeous like deep red. I have worn this and I really love this shade a lot. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys these 2 products because I have been loving them. Thank you so much Lancome for sending them over. Next up, I have a small package here from Skinfood. They did send over 2 of their face masks. The first one is the strawberry food therapy mask, and I did use this on my Instagram already and I love it. It seriously smells amazing and my skin felt so soft after using it. Here's what it looks like. I'm like literally obsessed with how it smells. I really love strawberry a lot. It has like little pieces in here that kind of exfoliate your skin. So yeah, I've been loving this one. And then they also sent over their coconut sugar mask, which is also a wash off mask. And I'm sure this one smells amazing as well. I haven't opened this one up yet, but I'm sure it smells just as good as the strawberry one. And then also they sent over this little mini size of their black sugar. There's like little writing on this. I can't tell what this is, but I think this is like a little sample of a mask as well. So yeah, this is everything that Skinfood sent over. A huge thank you to them. They do sell this brand at Ulta if you guys want to check it out. And then the last PR package I have here to show you guys is from Rimmel. They sent over a bunch of their lip products. First, they sent 3 of their Lasting Finish Extreme lipsticks. There are the shades Lit, and then we have the shade Snatched, which looks really pretty. And then the last shade is a really cool like purple shade, and this is the shade Sugar Sugar. Here is what the purple looks like. I have used the red called Lit. Here is what that shade looks like. These are like super creamy and they have really nice pigmentation. And then they also sent over 3 shades of their Stay Glossy lip glosses. So here are what the shades look like. I have used this shade right here. This is in the shade Honey Honey, and it's a super pretty like champagne shimmery shade. I used it in the center of the lips before and it looked gorgeous. I'm going to apply a little bit right now so you guys can see what it looks like. I feel like this just adds like the perfect amount of like shine to the center of the lips. I have been loving these. And then they also sent over the shade, why can I not see shade? I don't know what shade this one is. I don't see a shade name on this one, but this definitely looks like it's right up my alley as well. And then the last shade we have here, this one is called Down to Gloss, and it's also a really pretty shimmery shade. Thank you so much to Rimmel for sending me over these lip products. So those are all of the PR packages that I've gotten recently. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also, make sure you guys check out that giveaway I mentioned at the beginning of today's video. I'll have it linked in my description box below. And then I'll also have links to all of the products that I showed you guys in today's video as well if you guys want to check any of them out. And before you leave, make sure you guys click the bell next to the subscribe button so you can receive notifications of when I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching.